Imagine standing at the foot of a glacier that's advancing so fast it's swallowing whole forests. Welcome to Glacier Bay National Park, where ice reigns supreme, rainforests push back into ancient fjords, and whales soar through underwater canyons. Today, I'm taking you on an epic journey through one of the wildest playgrounds on Earth. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the icy heart of Alaska. Glaciers are often thought of as frozen static masses, but here they're alive. Johns Hopkins Glacier, for instance, calves towering icebergs with thunderous cracks you feel in your chest. Early explorers recorded ice cliffs ripping apart in seconds. An explosion of ice and mist that reminds you you're in the presence of pure raw power. When Captain George Vancouver first sailed into Glacier Bay in 1794, massive ice filled the inlet. By 1879, the ice had retreated 60 miles, revealing a newborn landscape. Today, the ice is again on the move, teaching us about climate, time, and nature's endless cycles. That surreal, almost neon blue color of the bay? It's not a filter, it's glacial flour. Ground from bedrock by the glacier's immense weight, these microscopic rock particles float in the meltwater and scatter sunlight, painting the fjords in unreal aquamarine tones. Next time you see that shade of blue, remember, it's nature's own paint, made by steel-cold ice and solid rock. Beneath that pristine white exterior lies a secret world of tunnels and chambers. Every summer, meltwater bores through the glacier, carving ice caves that glow in ethereal sapphire light. These hidden passages shift and collapse each year, reminding us that even what seems solid and permanent is really just part of a glacier's heartbeat. Beneath these ice-frazzled waters, a different kind of predator reigns, the killer whale. In summer months, pods roam the fjords in search of hungry salmon, using coordinated hunts that look choreographed. If you're lucky, you might see a mother teaching her calf to breach, leaping like a ballet dancer against the pale blue ice. When glaciers retreat, they leave gravel bars and streams teeming with fish, prime real estate for brown bears with paws the size of dinner plates. Driftwood logs become sea otter daycare centers, and every snagged fish draws a bald eagle overhead, an avian crown atop this wild kingdom. Watch closely. A pod of humpbacks works in perfect harmony, blowing a corkscrew of bubbles that traps fish like a theatrical net. Then, boom! They power plant through the center, mouths wide, plumes of water spraying skyward. It's one of nature's most astonishing feeding frenzies, performed against the backdrop of calving glaciers. Step off the boat at low tide and you'll discover nature's own aquarium. Tide pools alive with starfish, emerald anemones waving tentacles, and hermit crabs darting under rocks. This hidden world only appears when the water drains away. Another reminder that Glacier Bay's story isn't just in the sky-high ice, but also in these tiny, bustling communities on the shore. Long before it was a national park, Glacier Bay was home to the Tlingit people of the Glacier Bay. Their legends speak of ravens shaping the world, salmon teaching them to fish, and glaciers carving out stories in ice. Today, parks rangers and Tlingit elders partner to protect cultural sites and share oral histories passed down for generations. In 1879, John Muir stumbled upon Glacier Bay in a small launch, awed by towering walls of ice. His vivid descriptions in the Century magazine ignited America's imagination and laid the groundwork for national park protections. Over a century later, Glacier Bay remains a testament to the power of words and of nature. Today's researchers from NOAA and universities install sensors on the ice, tracking melt rates and flow speeds. Every measurement helps us predict sea level rise. But it's not just about data. Glacier Bay's story reminds us that our planet is in flux and that we all have a part to play in its protection. From living glaciers to orca ballets, from Tlingit legends to cutting-edge science, Glacier Bay is a world waiting to astonish you. If you enjoyed this icy adventure, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe for more wild stories from America's greatest treasures. What do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.